For your warm-up today, I'm going to be explaining what these 5 vocabulary words mean. So first we're going to start with terms. Okay, terms are anything that is separated by a plus or minus sign. Factors are anything where you have items being multiplied together. So 5 times x times y is considered a factor. So is 14x squared because you're multiplying by different things. The coefficients are always the numbers that are in front of a variable. The constants are the numbers that do not have a variable associated with them. Then of course your variables, they're just going to be any of those letters.